Hi kids, it's me, Mr. Frost.
And I'm Penelope.
Today, we're gonna make a picture that is non-objective art.
What's non-objective?
Non-objective is art that is not a picture of anything. That doesn't mean it's a blank piece of paper. It means it's a picture of lines, shapes, and colors that don't look like anything in particular. It's not a picture of a house, or a kitty cat, or a flower, or mommy. It's just lines, shapes, and colors to make a design, like this one. Let's take a look at some artwork by a famous artist named Vasily Kandinsky, who is famous for making non-objective designs. Let's take a look. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Well, now it's our turn to make a non-objective design, like this one. And I'm gonna show you how. Penelope, what do we need to make this artwork?
We need a pencil or a Sharpie marker, a piece of paper, and some crayons.
That's right, that's all we need. All right, let's take our marker or pencil. You can draw in pencil if you want to. And the first thing we're gonna draw on our paper are some big shapes. Maybe I'll make a triangle over here. Maybe I'll draw a circle over here. I could overlap and make another circle. You could even trace something like this cup if you want to. And you can go back and make some of your lines a little thicker, like this. Vasily Kandinsky liked to make thick and thin lines in his pictures. Now you don't have to use the exact same shapes that I'm using, and you don't have to put them in the same place that I do. You can make yours a little different. After you have some shapes, now it's time to draw a couple lines. We're going to make some lines that wiggle and wave over and through our shapes. But it's important that we don't make them too scribbly or crazy, or it'll make the coloring part a little bit tougher. So let's draw a line and take it for a walk. Watch. Like if I start here, maybe I'll come down here through my triangle, and then in between my circles down this way. Maybe I'll come up and around through here, and then off my page that way. That's a good line. Let's add another. Maybe this line will start over here and come up this way and go through this circle and up off the top of my paper. Let's draw one more line. This one's going to start down here and come around this way, cross over this line, cross through here, and up and off my paper that way. And now I'm going to go back and make some of those lines a little thicker in places. When you're all done with your lines, now you're ready to color. And when we color this picture, we want to take each part of the picture and add a different color. So in this space, I'll put one color, and in this space, I'll put another color, and in this space, a different color, until you fill the whole picture, like this one, with a different color in each space. Try to be really colorful. There you go. There's our colorful, non-objective Vasily Kandinsky inspired pictures. I can't wait to see your non-objective art. Remember, you can send me a picture to my email or by text message, and I'll include your drawing in my video of student artwork that I post this week. All right, kids, great job. Can't wait to see your art. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.